We're going to wrap up with part 2. So on your spreadsheet where you have separated out the different types of transactions that have happened, you have totaled them all up for the cash drawer for your library, and for Cuba it was $94.60. And then in Evergreen, looking at the cash payments for the workstations for the first half of the month, we had $106.90, and we have entered that in as the grand total. Subtracting out the services from the grand total means that we also collected $12.30 in fines. Now this is now finished, and you can print it. And once you have printed out a copy, you will make sure you have the correct total included with a copy of this spreadsheet in your cash bag for Annalie to pick up. Now, if you have any questions about how to do this, since Annalie is not picking up the last half of the month's cash counts until April 3rd, Tuesday afternoon, I'll be happy to help anybody that needs this on Monday. Joy or I will be able to walk you through this. And of course, you can watch the video as many times as you need. Also, if you have any donations that you would like to go ahead and total up, please put those in a separate envelope in the cash bag with the total amount of donations written on the front of the envelope. I'm going to switch back to Evergreen for just a second and come over to the Cuba cash drawer that I had up. And of course, it's on bills. But I am just going to go back to the regular bills and go through putting in a payment. Let's bill patron. I had given Cheryl 60 cents to do some demonstrations for this. So let's say I spent my 60 cents in copies. So here's the book sale, copy, fax, legacy, fine balance, miscellaneous, non-resident, printer, replacement card, all the different things that we can do a transaction on the cash drawer for. And we're going to say mine was for copies. And the amount was 60 cents. Submit this bill. It's going to total up over there. I'm going to pay my 60 cents. Oops. Annotate it real quick. And that disappears. Then you go to the history. And as we were doing payments, and if I selected just today, which would be the 29th, sometimes it likes to freeze up a little bit while it's trying to bring up all of those transactions. So there's my transaction that I just did for the 60 cents, and you can see it's labeled as copy. No miscellaneous over here. We have fax and copy or printer or whatever we had going on for that cash drawer. So just a reminder, when you're putting in your cash, make sure you select that billing type so we won't have any more of those miscellaneous items unless absolutely necessary, so we can have it all separated out on our spreadsheets according to print, fax, copy, or book sale for state accounting purposes. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.